Dragonflies can fly backward with amazing agility. Fireflies produce light through bioluminescence to attract mates. Praying mantises have a 180-degree field of vision. Ladybugs can consume up to 5,000 aphids in their lifetime. Ants can lift objects 50 times their body weight. Butterflies taste with their feet to locate food. Houseflies have only about a month to live. Bees communicate through a dance called the waggle dance. Grasshoppers can leap up to 20 times their body length. Termites never sleep and work 24 hours a day.